Now you can see another unboxing video. And what we're going to be unboxing here is this. It says an RCA Cambio W122SC24T2. It's a 2-in-1 notebook tablet, but this one's a little bit bigger. You can see this is a little bit larger one in the than the Cambio tab I'm even using now. This one's got a 12.2-inch display, 64 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigs of memory, larger display, dual cameras, and they say up to 6 hours of battery life. They say this one has a Celeron processor, 2 gigs of memory, RAM, built-in 64 gigabytes of memory storage, 1920 by 1200 IPS display, 500 cameras, mini HDMI output, built-in AO2.1. It's up to 6 hours of battery life. I just put this. And the reason for making such a purchase because this 10-inch Cambio tablet still works, but it's starting to show its age anyway. And part of it is probably because it's an older system. Like had that for like say 4 years now. So like I said, it's starting to show its age anyway. So I guess we'll get on to this unboxing here. I'll get on to this unboxing part here. Oh yeah, so other features it has. Windows button USB, it has a micro USB port, an HDMI port, micro SD card slot, microphone. Microphone's probably built in. Head jack, power button. Other features that I'll continue on. The device itself. So it's a nice picture. Oh. See. Got cameras in the front. So it's nice little, makes it nicer for us on the bottom there, but it's a micro SD slot. I'm assuming that's probably for That could be for power. Headphone jack. USB port. Yeah, that's probably HDMI. Oh yeah. That's micro SD slot. On the other side there. So that's probably your power. That could be your power button right there. Cameras in the front and the back. Now go to the rest of it here. It's like a website you can visit to find accessories, whatever shit like that. Yeah, I guess this uses an external power adapter. Got radio speed board there and power button. Oh yeah. A USB outlet. No, I mean power outlet. An external power outlet so it can be used for plugging whatever. And that is the unboxing of the 12-inch RCA Cambio 2-in-1 notebook tablet. It's like this external lighting I'm using. It's about to yeah, that's about to simply, that battery's about to go dead. So that's the unboxing of that. So all we gotta do now is, all it's gonna probably be done is that it just gets set up for the first time, and then pretty much have to just look for a micro USB, micro SD card to fit in there. I think I got one anyway. This will probably get put in use very quickly.